Current economic crisis has impacted all the sectors of the economy. There were two variables create significant impact to the debt market, that is liquidity and interest rates. Negative market liquidity impedes the demand for government securities. As a result, the market interest rates moved up to highest historical levels. There has been so much uncertainty in the market. We have been very cautious in taking trading opportunities. We knew it's going to impact our bottom line. Therefore, we shifted our focus towards the clients and gave them the opportunity to invest their money at these high levels. Thereby, we were fortunate to diversify our client base and also help them to get better returns for their investments while managing their risk. This allowed us to keep our spreads at our desired levels to improve our profitability. At the same time, we have made arrangements with two parent banks who have always been supportive to provide additional funding for our day-to-day operations. Engagement with IMF is very crucial at this juncture. This will help to boost the investor confidence and stability. The IMF facility would enable to obtain bridging finance from markets and other lending institutions such as ADB and the World Bank. If somehow the board-level agreement is signed in the first quarter, that significantly improves growth prospect for remainder of 2023. This program will attract great foreign investments to the country that will bring economic stability sooner. The risk premium that has already been factored into the current market interest will adjust downward when we secure the IMF agreement. As soon as that happens, interest rates will fall. The debt restructuring process is something new that we have to look at. It may shock the financial markets. Banks have the biggest exposure to the domestic debt. This event will diminish the financial sector stability, and we as a country cannot afford to have this at the moment. At the same time, Sri Lanka needs to meet all of the conditions given by IMF in order to secure the IMF deal. It will be interesting to see how Sri Lanka handles its gross financial requirement without restructuring its domestic debt. Overall, the market interest rates are going to be lower, whether there's a debt restructure or not. This will create a great opportunity for us to grow. By end of last year, we had to increase our capital base to comply with the central bank's requirement. Now we have more capacity to leverage our portfolio. With the enhanced portfolio, Acuity Securities has the opportunity to capitalize on the downward trend of the interest rates to have more capital gains. Also, we have built a strong asset book with high-yielding long-term assets, which help us to maintain our spreads when the rates are coming down. We are confident that we will be able to maintain our current pace for the remainder of the year. Our human capital is the driving force behind the company's success. Over the years, Acuity has been able to develop a strong team. Now we are prepared to face any challenge. Retention of employees is very vital, especially during an economic crisis. Many young people are migrating and it will be very difficult to replace. Our strategy is always where employees were given necessary authority to work independently. We always encourage new ideas and given proper recognitions for those. In addition, transparency is the key in everything we do, and we reward and recognize our employees on a regular basis. In continuous learning and development is vital, as these employees would be the future leaders in taking the company forward. As a company, Acuity Securities understand the importance of supporting our employees during the difficult times, such as current economic crisis and the COVID pandemic. Over the past years, we have taken several steps to show our employees that we have stand with them as a family. We have provided them with necessary support to help them and their family stay strong and resilient during these tough times. We believe that our employees are our greatest asset, and we have worked hard to foster a culture of open communication and connection and recognition. We encourage our employees to voice their opinions and ideas and maintain a healthy work-life balance. We also provide them with opportunities for mentorship and train to help them develop their skills for their full potential. At Acuity Securities, we recognize that our employees are the key for our success, and we are committed to supporting them in any way we can. We will continue to invest in their development and well-being to ensure that we maintain a strong, motivated team that can help us to navigate any challenge that come our way. We have been very cautious taking long positions due to the uncertainties. We mainly focused to improve our net interest income as we didn't have much opportunities for trading. In the meantime, we identified few sectors that we believed had excess funds to trade in government security market. To capitalize on this opportunity, we have strengthened our outstation sales by expanding our outstation branch network. When the interest rates started to move up, we as a group initiated an incentive scheme for other SBUs amongst the group, which they would be incentivized if they introduce a client to Acuity Securities. That encouraged the staff to canvass more clients for government security market. In addition, we are engaging in continuous dialogue with industry leaders and facilitating discussions with domain-level experts and other industry practitioners to enhance and improve the overall awareness of the treasuries market and the timely benefits our products offer. We strongly believe any challenges can be overcome if the company is geared with a sophisticated IT infrastructure. Therefore, we are currently closely working with few IT vendors to enable this transformation and utilize cutting-edge technology to facilitate our next phase of growth.